Hi everybody, welcome to another edition of James Jam. I'm Jame.
Your shirt's got a rip in it.
This is my jam. Yep, I know, thanks though. And I have a few unboxings for you today. A couple unboxings and then some viewer mail. It's always super exciting. Let's get started. I'm going to start out with She Said Yes. They reached out to me again. And I'm sorry, I'm a girl. I love jewelry.
Tell me about it.
I'm not going to say no if somebody wants to give me jewelry. So they gifted me what's in here, and I'm super excited to have it. They're doing some really cool things right now. Like if you buy something from She Said Yes, they you can join their She Said Yes movement. You can win prizes. If you use my link down below, you can get 15% off your purchase. And I am just
Is that Cameraman 15 again?
No, it's Jame 15.
Oh.
But thanks. It'll be listed down below. But so I was just super excited. I have been wearing, let's just start it out here. I got this ring first from them, the one right here. They do lab-grown diamonds, and then they do these other like gems. And I'm telling you, this one sparkles too, but this sparkles so much in the sun, and I wear it all the time. I wear it in the shower. I wear it when I do dishes, and it still looks like brand new. So when they reached out to me and said, hey, do you want to pick something else out? I'm like, yeah, 100%, absolutely, yes, I'm going to. I don't say yes to a lot of places, but jewelry, yes. I'm going to say yes to. Jewelry, handbags, those are two big ones for me. Well, real handbags. Or real ones I make. But, so they come in this really nice box. And then, I get 15% off, but you guys get 15% off as well. And gives how to care for your jewelry. And these are customizable. That's one of the coolest things ever. If you go to their website and look around, you can pick out like any ring style you want and then fill in the stones to whatever you want them to be. So I really like pink and green. We know this. So this is pink and green. So then it comes with a great presentation. This is just a bag for it. And then the ring is in this super nice box. Just think like if you were even getting engaged. I just think that this is just such a beautiful presentation. If a guy got it for his girlfriend or going to be wife or whatever, I just think it's so nice. And so this is what I picked out this time. So it's got the size here. And that's the other thing. They can do all these sizes. So okay, I don't want to wreck anything. Let me just try to get this off because of course I want to put it on right away. Of course I went with pink and green again.
There's a shock.
Right? Oh. See if I can operate this. Did I do it? No.
No.
I'm trying. There we go. So I got this one made bigger. This I wanted for this finger right here. And so this for me is a size 10. Yeah, my fingers are like 7, 9, and 10. And I just thought it would look really pretty next to this one. Does it look pretty next to that one?
Very pretty.
I mean, just look at how they sparkle. I mean, it's just crazy how nice they are. I can't get over how shiny and nice. And so this one, you can see that I picked out. So I have like the pink stone there. This one's a more fuchsia than this one. Then the green stone, then the fuchsia, then the big green one, and that could have been any stone. Then the pink, then the green, then the pink. And I just think this is just super cool. So I just, oh, that's cute. You're smiling too. It's just, I just think they're so cool. And see, I can even put these together like that too. That'd be like, to me, a pretty wedding ring and engagement set. Like, I just, but I wanted this one bigger. So I've been, okay, so it's, first off, it's super cool to get any size you want ring. And again, growing up with a name that not everybody had, certainly not spelled the way mine was, being able to get things personalized was always super important to me. But being able to pick out your jewelry, pick out the ring you want, pick out the gold, you can have white gold, rose gold, gold. Pick out the stones. I like, what more do you want?
Very customizable.
Yeah, it's just so cool. And I didn't realize that right away. I was looking around at rings when I got this one, and all of a sudden it said, choose stone or whatever. And I'm like, wait, what? What?
Game changer.
It was. Because, you know, a lot of places are not going to be coming up with pink and green together, but they have a really pretty stone called watermelon that's got the green and the pink in it, and it's really awesome. So yeah, I feel, what do I want to say? I don't want to be shoving like endorsements down your throat or anything by any means, but I love jewelry. I love jewelry when it's good, and this is just, I'm just super pleased with this. So I'm going to share it. I think it's awesome. Like I said, I'll link it down below. 10 or 15% off discount code if you use my link. And yeah, just have a look. I mean, it's so, because you can even, every time you design it, it'll show you on the screen what it looks like. So you can play around with all kinds of different designs. And yeah, just, I think they're great. I think they're fantastic company. So I'm going to say she said yeses and I said yeses, and you might want to say yes, because I can't say enough good things about them, especially with how I use my jewelry and how I, like I said, I shower in it, I do dishes in them, and gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Next up, I got some mail. This was so sweet. Yeah, this was from Flo. And Flo sent me, she sent me 2 candy bars from her favorite candy store, Philadelphia Candies. The dark chocolate one I have is downstairs because my son claimed it.
He commandeered it.
And here's the milk chocolate one. And she sent me a super nice note. And then... first off, I believe she made this card herself. Look at this. It's all stamped, and it's got the bee and the bow. And then just got, well, look at this. And then she sent me 2 press pennies.
Uh-oh. More to add to the collection.
Oh, it's just so cool. Spillway. And she told me about it. It's a place where they can go and feed like carp and some other
seagulls.
Yeah, a geese. And just, isn't that so cute? I love homemade things. We know this too. And then the press, but I'm just speechless. I was so excited today when I got this, and I just couldn't wait to show everybody. I just thought it was so awesome. So I'll have some more press pennies to put down in my press pennies. And
so thank you, Flo.
Thank you very much, Flo. This was just awesome. It was so nice. You guys are so nice. She said there's even another one she wants to make sure I have that she's been watching for because the press penny machine was broken. So, it's so nice. It just means the world to me every time I take them out, and I show everyone when I do my bag swaps, because I just think that it's super special that you guys think of me and do that. And I think of you guys and how you're all my good friends, and it's just awesome. So thank you. And last but not least, I have another unboxing here. And this is from Coach. Weird box for it to come in.
Is this Coach Outlet or Coach?
This is Coach.
Coach.
Real retail Coach.
Gotcha.
So it comes nicely packaged. You may have seen this already because I think me along with a few other people went absolutely gaga for it when we found it. So it comes packaged really nicely. This big old pillow.
Is it tired?
Maybe. So the item, oh, wow. That's heftier than I thought it was going to be. So it's wrapped super nice. Look at my ring just sparkle. Sorry.
I almost need sunglasses.
Right? But I got, it's a big bag. No, it's not a bag. You can
No?
tell it's not a bag.
I think it's a doobie.
And I have to chuckle about this because Dee Dee Bean just did a video about Coach must have lost their minds with their bag charm prices. And I'm going to tell you, I tend to agree. When your charms are costing as much as your bags, that is an issue.
That's whack.
But I had to for this one, even though it was like $100, $95.
Oh, you made me.
to.
You made me a mixtape.
It's a tape. It says Coach New York, C60 here, hi-fi.
Is that a 60-minute tape?
And then, yeah, probably. And then let's see what this is. Is this just the keychain part? I don't know. I'm gonna check. Yep. So you have.
So what's on there? Like Survivor, Foreigner, Rush,
Yeah, I don't know. Probably all kinds of goodies.
Blondie,
Oh, it even almost looks like it's got tape in it. It doesn't, but
Dire Straits,
it's got just a really nice, substantial
Toto.
hook and ring. And then it's got the little logo that says Coach on it. And then I'll show you it up close there. Both sides are the same.
Kind of got the 70s colors on the tape too.
Yeah, and then, yeah, I believe it was $95. Which, you know, sometimes these go on sale, but I was a child of, I was a teenager in the 80s, and
Holy cow.
we all know about
So when were you
mixtapes.
born?
Stop it. We all know about mixtapes and things like that, and how awesome they are, and
They're not all my tapes.
I had to do it. A bunch of us did. We went crazy over it. Everyone was trying to get it. It got put on the Dillard's website first, and people were buying it off there. Then it ended up on the Coach site, and it kept going out of stock. Then Dillard's finally got it in, but then Coach got it back in, and so I got it. I had to get it. I just think it's awesome. So that's my little haul for you guys today. Actually a nice big haul for you guys, I think. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you're not already subscribed, I would really appreciate it if you did subscribe. I do put out videos on Wednesdays and Saturdays of primarily luxury and contemporary handbag related videos, and also small leather goods, some jewelry, some ready to wear, perfume, things along, my jam, things along that line. Every other Monday or sometimes Tuesdays, I do a bag swap video where I switch from the current bag I'm using into a new bag, and I give you a little bit of information on both and switch out my small leather goods, tell you about those as well. Every other Thursday, I do a book related video where I talk about what I've been reading, what I've picked up, things like that. You can find me over on Instagram if you haven't already. It's at James Jam. It's just JAME_S_Jam. And until next time, please do unto others as you would have them do unto you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
Dr. Jones!
You're thinking you're showing my ring.
Indy!